Hi everyone, welcome to Share and Review. Today we're going to take a look at Serco and look at the performance of that and just like I said, run my analysis the way I look at shares and view them and to see if that is something that is a possibility for investing in. Before I jump across, just a little bit of housekeeping that this is for educational purposes only. It's not intended to be personalised financial advice. If that's what you're looking for, then you do need to go and speak to your own financial advisor. However, if you're looking for share trading signals, just remember that I do offer a 30-day free trial where I send out once a week updates on shares that I'm perhaps buying, selling, or increasing their stop losses. So you're welcome to come jump across and have a look at that. Many people are getting a lot of advantage out of it. So I'd love for you to see what you think as well. Right, I'll share my screen. Okay, up here I've got Serco Limited on the screen. And this is just a two-year chart that I've got up at the moment and over a 1 week intervals. And as you can see, it's really sort of on a bit of a downtrend, and that's before I even run any moving averages over it. Let's take a look at the 5-year, and yeah, that's really solidifying what I was just thinking. You can see that Serco has hit a high of about $8.32, and that was back in August 2021. So it's fallen quite substantially since then. Yeah, so gosh, well over half, even more. Let's go back to the 2-year chart and we'll run some moving averages over it just to see what they are saying as well. So for those of you that regularly follow me, I like to run the 30 exponential and and also the 15 period exponential moving averages. Nothing special with these, they're just ones that I constantly stick with. Right. As you can see here, the share is trading below both of those moving averages. That, to me, is a complete red flag. The other red flag is that back in around April this year, the 15-week moving average crossed through the 30-week. So the 15-week moving average is obviously a faster moving average than the 30. And when they cross to the downside, it's sometimes referred to as a dead cross. So whatever moving average you're using, if it's passed on the downward leg of your slower moving average, then it's referred to as a dead cross. And that's exactly what's happened. You know, the market obviously started to fall quite substantially back at the end of March. Saw a little bit of a rebound, sometimes referred to as the dead cat bounce. And then, of course, it's carried on trending downwards. So for that reason, or those two reasons alone, Serco is not a share that I would want to be buying into at all. I would want to see the moving averages cross to the upside and the share trading above that. Let's just have a look over the 5 years again, and it just paints a bigger picture. So we had obviously some good, strong up growth from March 2020, and it sort of hit that point, like I said, about August, September in 2021, and then since then it's been coming down. We did see a bit of a rebound back in May last year, and then basically it started to fall again. So yeah, it's not something that I would be jumping into at all. We'll just have a look and see how it's performing against the main board for the NZSX 50, and as you can see, it too is trading below the main board. And I've said this on numerous occasions, there's currently only about 6 or 8 shares on our main board that are driving the NZSX 50. And so it's not broad participation through, a lot of shares. It's only a very, very small, a few that are driving that. So again, for that reason, because it's trading below the NZSX 50 level, again, I would leave it out. So I'll stop sharing. There's sort of not much more to report on Serco, really. It could be a wait and see. Who knows? There's a lot more water to go under the bridge before I would even consider popping it into my portfolio. I hope that's helped. Leave your comments below. I love your feedback. And just remember, if you'd like me to review a share for you, happy to do so. So until next week, take care.